So we're having a wonderful class here at Ricardo's El Torito Mexican restaurant with master Veracruz chef Ricardo and Carmen, and we're having a ball, aren't we, ladies?
Hey, Diane.
Yes, and we're doing this Mexican style with adult beverages. And we just had guacamole. We ate it all. Here is a very spicy Mexican sauce that none of us dares to eat because it is hot, hot, hot. And we just wiped out this mild sauce that's made fresh, uncooked in a molcajete. So we're having a ball. What do you think, everybody?
Yay!
Yay!
And we're doing this courtesy of the Amazing Race.
And all this wonderful food is made in this teeny tiny kitchen. But it works, doesn't it? Everybody, greetings from paradise. Yay!